Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a CV with Grok 3. So basically, what you get to do here is you have to go to Grok 3 or go to Grok and then create an account here. You can ask Grok to create a CV for you. Just add here or type here, create a CV for me. But if you have your own CV or if you have a sample CV and you want to change this to the specific CV that you want, you can just basically attach a PDF here with the CV that you want to change. So here, after you have attached a CV, you can now add some prompt like you want to change everything here from the CV into this specific job or let's just say your profession. So let's just say I am a software engineer. So I'm going to change it right here. Press enter, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So you will see that Grok is now creating or collecting some details. You can be more specific by adding more details about your information about you. So here it is. You just have to wait. And once done, then all you have to do here is just copy and then just paste it anywhere. For example, Microsoft Word, just paste it there and then feel free to edit. So you can add your skills, more information about you, background, and more information about you. You can also optimize your CV, like you can go back to Croc and then you can ask another prompt. For example, please optimize and rewrite my CV for job role or industry, ensuring that specific information and so on. So that's it. Now you can enhance, you can export and polish the final version. And basically that's it. That's how easy it is to create a CV with Grok 3. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.